everybody, it's me, Kid the Explorer, and, well, who are you?
Miles.
Miles? Miles, what are you doing here?
Born.
Exploring? Well, I'm glad you're here to explore with me. What are we going to explore today? What do you think we're going to explore, kids? We're going to explore a legendary creature. He's big and ferocious and mysterious and probably kind of stinky. We're gonna go searching for Bigfoot. Can you say Bigfoot?
Yeah.
Bigfoot is a legendary creature. No one's ever seen him, and we don't know if he's real or not. But we're gonna search all over the entire world and see where we can find him. What do you think about that, Miles? Sounds good to me too, but I think we need to get out of the house and outside. So pack your bags, kids. We're going exploring for Bigfoot.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Where do you think Bigfoot could live, kids? He looks kind of like a giant monkey, so maybe he lives in the desert?
No.
I don't know. Let's try the desert. Let's go explore the desert. Oh, there's a bird flying in the sky. Oh, there's a lot of tumbleweeds in this desert and not really any animals. The desert's probably not the right place to look for Bigfoot, is it? But guess what animals do live in the desert?
Deserts are beautiful but harsh climates, and animals that live here have to adapt to living with very little food and very little water. Because in deserts, it doesn't rain very often. Some animals that can be found here are camels and all kinds of lizards. Lizards often sit still on rocks to soak up the rays of the sun. And coyotes can also be found in the desert as well.
Where should we explore next, Miles? Should we explore the jungle? Let's go explore the jungle. Come on. Oh, look at these animals. There's lots of animals in the jungle. Wow, look at all the monkeys and butterflies. What are there? I think I see a sloth over there. Do you see the sloth? Oh, there's a lot of animals in the jungle, but I don't see Bigfoot. Where could he be?
Rainforests are arguably one of the most diverse ecosystems on the planet. They're home to all kinds of species of monkeys, like this one digging for food. They're also home to tons of different species of snakes. In rainforests, you can also find brightly colored birds of every kind. And let's not forget the beautifully colored frogs that can be found in the rainforest. And the rainforest is also home to millions of species of insects like this butterfly and countless types of beetles. Now, let's go explore the mountains.
Come on, Miles. Let's hike this mountain. This mountain's so steep. It's so steep. I see trees though, and I see birds, and look, an eagle. Whoa. I don't see any Bigfoot, Miles. Did you see a Bigfoot?
No.
Me either, kids. No Bigfoot in the mountains. But what does live in the mountains, kids? What do you think lives in the mountains?
Bear.
Bears live in the mountains? What else?
Mountains are majestic and wonderful places to have adventures. Wildlife that can be found in the mountains is diverse. Bald eagles like this one live in the mountains of North America. And you can also find elk and deer in the mountains. What a beautiful buck. Look at those antlers. And let's not forget our furry friends, the bears. Here's a mama bear with 2 bear cubs, and she's teaching them all about the river and how to look for salmon, one of Bear's favorite treats. And remember, bears might look cuddly, but they're dangerous, so stay away.
Well, let's think. We've looked for Bigfoot in a rainforest, in the mountains. We've looked for him in the desert. What other kinds of places are there that we could look for Bigfoot? What about on the beach? Maybe Bigfoot is sitting on the beach. Enjoying the sun. What do you think? Let's go check it out. Well, hey kids, we're here at the beach and I see some hermit crabs and seagulls in the sky, but I don't see a Bigfoot. Where could he be? Where do you think he could be, Miles? There's no Bigfoot here, but what animals do live at the beach? What do you think?
The beach. What a wonderful place to go and relax. And we're not the only ones who love to soak up the sun. Crab species of every kind love to play and crawl in the sand. This one dug a hole. How fun. This kind of crab is a hermit crab. Hermit crabs carry shells on their back, and as they grow, they move into new shells that are bigger. Kind of like how you need to get bigger shoes after you grow. And let's not forget our friends the seagulls. Seagulls love to play in the surf and look for tasty treats on the beach. And here are some seals. They love to soak up the sun.
Well, kids, we've explored most of the earth. We've explored places where there's mountains, places where there's rainforests, places where there are deserts, places where there are beaches. Should we look for Bigfoot in Antarctica, where it's so cold and so snowy? Let's go. Ooh, it's so cold here in Antarctica. I see polar bears and penguins, but I don't see a... I think I see Bigfoot. It's Bigfoot's cousin, the abominable snowman. Spooky. He's getting closer, Miles. What do we do? We found Bigfoot, but I didn't even think to bring a camera with me. No one's gonna believe us. Well, kids, I'm pretty scared and freezing, so I think that's it for this episode of Kid Explores. We found Bigfoot and a lot of other cool animals. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, and we're gonna run away now. Bye! Go run!